All right, a quick tip on your antenna install. Okay, so there is a rubber plug that's right there. So your antenna's here, and it comes down, and then in the door there, in the plug. Comes in and loops there. And then you've already seen this before, but there is also clips underneath the glove box. So there's one about here and one about here where your antenna cord goes in. So it runs along the bottom underneath here, and there's 2 clips in there. Let's see if I can show you. They're hard to see. There you go. One there. And one there. There's the cord. So when you go and install the antenna, best to do it before the glove box. That way you don't have to reach up in there and try to get that cord underneath that clip. And then from there it goes over to the radio. That's it.